Hey folks, guys have a Hyundai Sonata and you have a bad tail light. I'll tell you how to get to that tail light. The problem with this tail light is because it's broken. I don't know if it got hit here, right here, and something grabbed it. Customer said that she went to a car wash and I guess the brush kind of ripped it out. But if you look back here, take this little cover off. Looks like somebody glued it at one point, so maybe they did something to it. But anyway, let's change this light out. I'm going to show you how to get to it. There's two little Christmas tree clips, one here, one here. Just take them out with your little tool or your hand or a pair of pliers. You bend this back a little bit. You're going to see 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. And after you take the 4 screws out, this whole assembly is going to pop right out. I'm going to show you the assembly that I bought. Here it is right here. It's made by TYC. Got it from Rock Auto. All right. That's the brand. That's the part number. This is the driver's side taillight assembly. All right. This is what it looks like. Okay. Looks just like it. Like I said, got the 4 nuts in the back there. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and the size of it, I think it's a 10 millimeter. Yes, it is. So it's a 10 millimeter, 4 nuts, and there's a little tiny clip over here that it slides into. So when you take your tail light and you slide it in, you're gonna slide it into that little white clip and put the 4 little nuts on there. Okay. If you guys need to change your bulbs, the assembly has to come out, and right here you just take these, you take a little twist to the left, and they pop right out. Okay, so you got 1, 2, 3 lights there. One's the reverse, one's the stop light, and one is the side marker light. All right, so I'm not going to tamper with it since it's brand new, but that's how you change the bulbs if you have to. Okay, so all right, so let's take that bulb out. All right, so here's that light that comes out. Here's a little clip that I told you about that slides in. All right, so we're going to pull this assembly out after you take the 4 nuts off. Okay, and then there's a little clip that already came out already. Okay, you push the little tab and the thing pops right out. Okay, so now I'm going to go grab the new one and we are going to plug it in. So let's put this away over here in the box. That's the old one. This the new one. Yeah, that was definitely tampered with because the clip should be mounted on that body. But you see, that's the broken piece. That's another broken piece over here, broken piece over there. So yeah, that's why the tail light was hanging on with blue tape. All right. So now let's take the broken pieces off because I think they're still in there. Yes, they are. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3. And there's 4. Okay, got the little rubber seal there. They come out. Look at that. It's all broken. Snapped it right off. All right, so the new one is just going to be clipped on, poked in there, and we're going to put the 4 nuts in there. But before we do that, I'm going to go play with this blue tape. And I'm not going to drag you out for that. All right, here we go. Plugged in the light. I'm going to slide it in, put that clip right in there. And I'm going to line up the 4 holes for the bolts. And I'm going to set it in. All right, it's all in. Tighten up the 4 nuts over there. Don't forget, you got that little that rubber seal. So when you're tightening it, you're not going to notice that it's going to get a little loose, and then you're going to tighten it. So just push on the lens a little bit to crush the foam, and then it'll tighten up nicely. All right, then this goes on with your little clips. All right, and then you put your covers on. Okay, and that will be it, folks. There's one there, one up here. Perfect. And this one goes Let's see. Looks like it goes this way. Alright. Gotta finesse that in a little bit. Move that around. And we are good to go. That's the way it shows, I guess. Alright, there you go. Now just to put the lady's trunk back together the way it was. And the job is well done. Alright. That's it. Thanks for watching, people. I'll play with this little tape here so it makes it look a little better. That's it. Tail light done. Thanks for watching. Ciao.